This is going to be a short video. Mainstream media really takes the cake. You got to wait till the end on this. The name of this video is What is Jugging? How to keep yourself safe from this North Texas trend. And jugging is when criminals wait for unsuspecting victims to withdraw cash, and then they follow that victim to a destination where they rob them, in many cases at gunpoint. But wait till the end. You'll see what I'm talking about.
On a developing story this morning, a family has a warning for all of us after 3 armed men followed them home, tried to rob them at gunpoint. This whole thing was caught on camera and in their driveway. Chris Sadeghi joins us here in studio with a look at that video. Chris, police say this was targeted.
Yeah, Kara, and this is some frightening video to look at. It shows what is called jugging. It is
situational awareness, people. Situational awareness. Apparently, this guy had some measure of situational awareness because he didn't get out of his vehicle. He kept his vehicle locked, but they did have firearms. I don't know if they were real firearms, but if they were and they were loaded, you know, a dastardly criminal would just put a bullet through the glass and open the door and take your money. So be very aware, especially at night, at all times, but especially at night when you're pulling up into your driveway, backing into your driveway, going into your garage, parking in a parking place in a well-lit shopping center. You've got to be looking around at all times. This will save your life.
Not new. However, Dallas police say it does seem to be happening more and more often. This video is from Mark Gardner's driveway in North Dallas. He backed his car in and then 3 armed men jump out of an SUV, run up and start pointing their guns at him, even pounding on his window, demanding he give up the cash he has on him. Jugging is when thieves hang out at banks.
Gosh, there's a common denominator in this video. I can't quite put my finger on what it is. Can you guys help me out?
Or ATM machines, watch someone withdraw cash, then follow them looking for an opportunity to take that cash. In this case, their plan did not work because Mark kept his doors locked and managed to escape by driving through a small opening between the SUV and another car.
And I'll come back to this, but if they were professionals, they would have never parked their vehicle right there. They would have never given this guy an opportunity to escape. They would actually pulled up right there by his bumper. The guy wouldn't have been able to go anywhere. And then what are you going to do?
To take that cash. In this case, their plan did not work because Mark kept his doors locked and managed to escape by driving through a small opening between the SUV and another car. Fortunately, he and his stepson, who was also in the car, were not hurt. The video captured a good look at the 3 men, and Gardner hopes someone recognizes their faces.
It could have gone in the other direction real quick, guys. Not only for the driver of that vehicle, but also for his stepson.
And maybe they think they're invincible. But if they think they're that tough, wait till they get to prison.
And jugging cases happen often enough that Austin police actually gave these tips to avoid becoming a victim.
These tips come from Austin police. Here's what they want you to do.
First of all, be aware of your surroundings.
Check. Very good.
Try to keep an eye out. See if anybody might be following you out of the bank parking lot. Also, do not leave your cash in your car.
Not a bad idea. It would be a bad idea if you did.
Change your routes and your routines if going to the bank is something you do regularly. And
that's a good idea.
And carry cash and cards discreetly.
Don't be flashing the cash. And it's probably a good idea if you're going to withdraw something from the bank to have the teller, hey, can you keep it down? Like there's some people around. Don't be counting 1, 100, 200, 300, 400, 15,000. Okay. And somebody's walking out of the bank with 15,000 cash. I better follow them home.
Finally, if you realize someone is following you, call 911.
What is missing from that list from the Austin Police Department? Let's see. I can't quite put my finger on that either. What exactly is it? What would be the one thing that would be a game changer if these guys decided to do this to you? Let's see. What is it? Wouldn't be a personal protection device with extra freedom seeds, would it? Empower yourselves. That's a good idea. Be aware of your surroundings. Make sure you have situational awareness. Not a good idea to leave cash in your car. Change your routes. Yeah, that would be a good idea. And be very discreet about the wealth that you have. But call 911. How about call 357? How about call 1911? How about call Glock 22? How about call that? What good is calling 911 when you're in a situation like this when they've already got their guns pointed at you? Not going to help you. But what could help you? The very thing that the Austin Police Department left off the list. And why do they leave that kind of stuff off the list? Why do you think they do that? Do you think the government, state, local, federal, do you think the government wants you empowered? Do you think mainstream CIA infiltrated Operation Mockingbird, MK Ultra Media wants you empowered? I don't think so. What do you think would have been the game changer here? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description. Remember, the price of freedom is now and will always be eternal vigilance. And indifference to this notion is the means by which the people have and will secure their own oppression. Stay empowered, stay aware, and stay strapped. I'll see you in the next video.